ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഞാനിന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പഠിപ്പിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് സെം 1 BA കോംപ്ലിമെൻ്ററി കോഴ്സ് 1 പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ് യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി ഓഫ് കേരള മൊഡ്യൂൾ 1 ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ അല്ലെ ചാപ്റ്റേഴ്സ് മീനിങ് നേച്ചർ ഡെഫിനിഷൻസ് ആൻഡ് സ്കോപ്പ് ഓഫ് പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ് ഇന്റർഡിസിപ്ലിനറി സ്റ്റഡി ഇൻ പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ് ഹിസ്റ്ററി എക്കണോമിക്സ് സോഷ്യോളജി സൈക്കോളജി ആൻഡ് എത്തിക്സിൻ്റെ എക്സാം പാറ്റേൺ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ് ഇന്ന് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഞാൻ ഇടുന്ന വീഡിയോസ് മാത്രം പഠിച്ചാൽ ഫുൾ മാർക്സ് കിട്ടും. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാം. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം ഡിസ്കസ് the evolutionary development of the discipline of political science. Political science borrows various things from social science. When it comes to power, political science is different in terms of power as political science reflects the ability of one political actor to get another actor to give all the powers that he wants and can run at various levels like internally, nationally and other local levels. Generally, political science is used as singular term, but in French and Spanish languages, it is used in plural terms as politicus respectively. Political science started to have relevance in the late half of the 19th century. The evolution of political science has its roots in the time of Aristotle and Plato. In the beginning, political science separated itself from political philosophy, which had its root in the era of Plato and Aristotle. This was written nearly about 2500 years ago. Political philosophy is the study of political ideas and values like justice, rights, duties, and various types of political obligations which are sometimes obeyed and disobeyed by the citizen of the state. Similarly, on the other hand, political science is the study of the institution, behavior, and descriptive theories, and various behaviors like empirical observation, which are usually expressed in quantitative terms in the field of social science. If we look at the evolution of political science as a discipline, it is one of the classical disciplines that usually deals with the study of all the political phenomena of the state. The main objective of the political science as a discipline is to understand human nature deeply, the nature of different political actors, and also to develop different tools based on the theories that will help in interpreting the political phenomena. ഈ ചോദ്യം 4 മാർക്കിനാണ് ചോദിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ഇത്രയും എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. 15 മാർക്കിനാണ് ചോദിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ സ്കോപ്പും കൂടെ എഴുതണം. സ്കോപ്പ് ഡെവലപ്മെന്റിന്റെ ഒരു ഭാഗമാണ്. ദി സ്കോപ്പ് ഓഫ് പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ്. A. A study of state. Political science is the study of state. The state is defined as a group of people organized for law within a definite territory. The four essential elements of the state are population, territory, government, and sovereignty. B. A study of government. Political science studies the various forms of government and its activities. A study of government deals with the study of the three branches of government, that is, legislature, executive, and judiciary. C. A study of power, rule, and authority. Power is the central concept of the study of political science. According to modern political scientists, political science is the study of shaping and sharing of power. D. A study of political theory. The primary study of political science starts with the political theory. Political theory is a major branch of political science. The study of political theory includes subjects like the evolution of the state, the nature of the state, and the functions of the state. E. A study of political dynamics. This is the study relating to current issues in government and politics. It covers a wide range of study about political parties, public opinions, pleasure groups, etc. F. A study of international relations. The scope of political science includes the study of international relations. In modern times, with growing interdependence among countries, the subject is growing importance. It includes a wide range of topics like the study of diplomacy, international politics, international laws, and international organization. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം വാട്ട് ഈസ് പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ്? Describe its relationship with economics and history. ഇത് 15 മാർക്കിന് ചോദ്യമാണ്. ഇതിൽ എന്താണ് പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ് എന്ന് എഴുതണം, റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ് ആൻഡ് എക്കണോമിക്സ് എഴുതണം, റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ് ആൻഡ് ഹിസ്റ്ററി എഴുതണം. Political science is a systematic study of politics or the process by which governmental decisions are made. Political science is also the systematic study of government and power. Aristotle is the father of political science. It is a social science dealing with systems of governance and power and the analysis of political activities, political thought, political behavior, and associated constitutions and laws. Relationship between political science and economics. Until recently, economics was considered as a bar of political science. The Greeks called economics by the name of political economy. Philosophers and Aristotle, while dealing with the state and its functions, included topic on economics. Modern economics do not agree with this point of view. They consider economics to be a separate discipline which tries to find out how man gets his income and how he uses it. According to Alfred Marshall, economics is the study of wealth on the side and the study of man on the other side. In spite of being treated as a separate discipline, both subjects have a common purpose, that is, the welfare of man and society. Political science works for an orderly society so that man can achieve material wealth, political and economic conditions act and react on each other. The solutions of the economic problems comes from political agencies, and major problems of the state are economic in character. For example, British colonial policy in India. Relationship between political science and history. History is a record of past events, activities, and experience of mankind. The relationship between political science and history is very close. The state and political institutions grow instead of being made. They are the product of history. In order to understand them, we must know the process of evolution. All our political institutions have a historical base. History gives enough material for comparison and allows us to build an ideal political structure. In the absence of historical data, the study of political science is incomplete and unscientific. History also takes much from political science. History is meaningless if we neglect the political events. Thus, political science and history are complementary. Although political science and history are two separate problems, but they have a common subject in the state and they overlap each other at many points. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, ഹൗ ഈസ് പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ടു സോഷ്യോളജി? ഈ ചോദ്യം 2 മാർക്കിനോ 4 മാർക്കിനോ ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇത് ഇത്ര എഴുതണം. സോഷ്യോളജി ഈസ് എ സബ്ജക്ട് ഓഫ് റീസൺ ഒറിജിൻ. Auguste Comte is universally recognized as the father of sociology. Sociology deals with the origin, evolution, structure, and activities of the social structure. Recent thinkers like Weber, Marine, Stern, Almond, Apter have taken much from the sociological writings of Talcott Parsons and R.K. Merton and included it in political theory. This trend has become popular, especially after World War II, and a new subject, political sociology, has launched. However, sociology deals with all forms of human association, whereas political science is considered only with all forms of human association, that is the state. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, how is political science related to psychology? Or discuss the relationship between political science and psychology. ഈ ചോദ്യം 2 മാർക്കിനോ 4 മാർക്കിനോ ചോദിക്കാം. 2 മാർക്കിനാണെങ്കിൽ ആദ്യത്തെ പാരഗ്രാഫ് മാത്രം എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. 4 മാർക്കിനാണെങ്കിൽ ഇത് മുഴുവനും എഴുതണം. Psychology deals with the behavior of man. It inquiries into the mind of man and his behavior, both as an individual and as a group and explains the motives of action. Political science deals with the political relationships of human beings and it cannot ignore the psychological effect. State and political institute are the product of mind and can be understood in terms of mind. The close relationship between political science and psychology has been brought about by writers like Graham Wallace, Baldwin. The psychological approach to the problems of political science are very valuable. However, it doesn't mean that all political problems have psychological explanation. Psychology is concerned with the mental actions. Political science is concerned with the willed relations of social beings. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, ഹൗ ഈസ് പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ടു എത്തിക്സ്? ഈ ചോദ്യം 2 മാർക്കിനോ 4 മാർക്കിനോ ചോദിക്കാം. 2 മാർക്കിനാണെങ്കിൽ ആദ്യത്തെ പാരഗ്രാഫ് മാത്രം എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. 4 മാർക്കിനാണെങ്കിൽ ഇത് മുഴുവനും എഴുതണം. എത്തിക്സ് ഈസ് ദ സയൻസ് ഓഫ് morality and it deals with the moral standards. Ethics deals with what is right and wrong in man's conduct. Politics is concerned with what is right and wrong in government and state life. Thus, ethics is defined as the science of moral order and politics is the science of political order. However, there is a close relationship between the two earlier thinkers of political science like Plato and Aristotle did not make a distinction between the two. Yet there are certain differences between the two. Ethics is concerned with the moral aspects of human actions, but politics is concerned with the external aspects. Ethics is more philosophical, while politics is more practical. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, ഡിസ്കസ് ദ സ്കോപ്പ് ഓഫ് പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ്. ഈ ചോദ്യം 4 മാർക്കിന് ചോദിക്കാം. ദ സ്കോപ്പ് ഓഫ് പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ്. A study of state. Political science is the study of state. The state is defined as a group of people organized for law within a definite territory. The four essential elements of the state are population, territory, government, and sovereignty. B. A study of government. Political science studies the various forms of government and its activities. A study of government deals with the study of the three branches of government, that is, legislature, executive, and judiciary. C. A study of power, rule, and authority. Power is the central concept of the study of political science. According to modern political scientists, political science is the study of shaping and sharing of power. D. A study of political theory. The primary study of political science starts with the political theory. Political theory is a major branch of political science. The study of political theory includes subjects like the evolution of the state, the nature of the state, and functions of the state. E. A study of political dynamics. This is the study relating to current issues in government and politics. It covers a wide range of study about political parties, public opinion, pleasure groups, etc. F. A study of international relations. The scope of political science includes the study of international relations. In modern times, with growing interdependence among countries, The subject is growing importance. It includes a wide range of topics like the study of diplomacy, international politics, international law, and international organization. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, വാട്ട് ആർ ദ ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് interdisciplinary approach, or explain the significance of interdisciplinary study in political science, or relevance of interdisciplinary study in political science, or what is meant by interdisciplinary study in political science. ഇത്രയും ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ രണ്ടോ നാലോ മാർക്കിന് ചോദിക്കാം. 2 മാർക്കിനാണ് ചോദിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ആദ്യത്തെ പാരഗ്രാഫ് മാത്രം എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. 4 മാർക്കിനാണെങ്കിൽ ഇത് മുഴുവനും എഴുതണം. Interdisciplinary study allows the student to learn by making connections between ideas and concepts across different disciplinary boundaries. Students learning in this way are able to apply the knowledge gained in one discipline to another different discipline as a way to deepen the learning experience. The most effective approach to interdisciplinary study enables students to build their own interdisciplinary pathway by choosing courses which make sense to them. One of the biggest barrier to achieving true interdisciplinary study in education environments is the necessity for collaboration of educators. This can be difficult to achieve but not impossible. Interdisciplinary teaching and learning is maximized when professionals from different disciplines work together to serve a common purpose and to help students make the connections between different disciplines or subject areas. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, നേച്ചർ ഓഫ് പൊളിറ്റിക്സ് ഓർ പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ്. ഈ ചോദ്യം 2 4 മാർക്കിന് ചോദിക്കാം. 2 മാർക്കിനാണെങ്കിൽ ആദ്യത്തെ പാരഗ്രാഫ് മാത്രം എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. 4 മാർക്കിനാണെങ്കിൽ ഇത് മുഴുവൻ എഴുതണം. പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ് ഈസ് എ സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസ്. Its nature is different than physical science, like physics and chemistry. Whenever we study the origin, evolution, and development of political science, we find various aspects of the nature of political science. The definitions and meaning of political science shows that it is a systematic study of political theory, political institutions, political forces, and processes. When we call politics as political science, we have to see how far this subject stands to the test of science in the strict sense of the term. Science is a systematic body of knowledge, the facts of which have been accurately and impartially collected, arranged, and classified through the use of various scientific methods of observation, comparison, and experimentation. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, ആന്ത്രോപോളജി. ഈ ചോദ്യം 1 2 മാർക്കിന് ചോദിക്കാം. Anthropology explains culture within a society and theorizes about how those cultures affect society. Anthropologists explore how people acquire cultural values because culture often has a strong effect on behavior. Political scientists rely on anthropological studies and methods. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, ഡിഫൈൻ പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സോഷ്യോളജി. ഈ ചോദ്യം 1 2 മാർക്കിന് ചോദിക്കാം. Sociology studies social life and human interactions, from how groups form to how large organizations run to how people interact with one another. Political scientists make use of sociological studies and methods when examining. Sociology is the study of demographic profile, mobility, and productivity of labor, the social setting of rural and urban, and the concern on population. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ എക്കണോമി. ഈ ചോദ്യം ഒരു മാർക്കിന് ചോദിക്കാം. പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ എക്കണോമി ഈസ് എ ബ്രാഞ്ച് ഓഫ് social science that studies the relationship that forms between a nation's population and its government when public policy is enacted. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം ഹു ഈസ് ദ ഓഥർ ഓഫ് ദ ബുക്ക് റിപ്പബ്ലിക്. ഈ ചോദ്യം ഒരു മാർക്കിന് ചോദിക്കാം. ഇതിന്റെ ഉത്തരം പ്ലാറ്റോ. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം ഡെഫിനേഷൻ ഓഫ് പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ്. ഈ ചോദ്യം ഒരു മാർക്കിന് ചോദിക്കാം. പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ സയൻസ് ഈസ് എ സിസ്റ്റമാറ്റിക് സ്റ്റഡി ഓഫ് പൊളിറ്റിക്സ് ഓർ ദ പ്രോസസ് ബൈ വിച്ച് ഗവൺമെന്റ് ഡിസിഷൻസ് ആർ മെയ്ഡ്. Political science is also the systematic study of government and power. Wish you all the best. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video if you like it. Please refer for module 2 political science in my next YouTube video.